So the simplest way to start a call is to invite your clients to your room from your dashboard. So there's two ways you can do that. One way is by sending an email invite from within Coviu by clicking Send Invitation. So then this allows you to add the information from within the email sent to the client. So I might invite my colleague Marina to pretend to be my client. So I'm saying marina@coviu.com. I'll title this email, Join My Telehealth Consultation. I might leave the message to the default, I would like to invite you to join a call, Pete. And the final option here is it's asking whether I should send an invitation for a particular time. If I click no, Marina will just receive an email with everything she requires to get started. If I click yes, she'll also receive a calendar invite as well. So I might set this appointment for today, 23rd of April at, let's say, 3 p.m., 3:45 p.m, and I want the duration of the calendar invite to say 1 hour. I'll click send, and then Marina will be able to easily meet me in my room. The second way you can invite someone to your room is to just copy the link, using that button, copy the link button, and then paste that however you normally communicate with your clients. You could paste it in an email, in your PMS, you put it in your email signature, you could even text it if you get that link onto your phone. As long as that client has the link to your room, they can meet you there. So now you've invited your client to your room, all you have to do is enter your room as well, which you can do via this big Enter Room button.